Welcome to this video on earthing in a house. We will cover how professional grounding systems ensure electrical safety and component protection in your home. What is earthing? It is the process of safely transferring the immediate discharge of electricity directly to the earth via a low-resistance wire. This provides a safe, low-resistance path for fault currents, bypassing the human body. Earthing is crucial for personal safety, preventing fatal electric shocks from faulty appliances. It protects expensive electronics from voltage surges and insulation failures, and reduces the risk of electrical fires caused by short circuits. Now let's explore how earthing works by understanding the path of least resistance. Without an earth wire, a fault current seeks the path of least resistance, which could be a person, causing a severe shock. The solution is the earthing wire, which provides a low-resistance path to the ground, bypassing you entirely. The system components include the earth electrode, which contacts the soil, the earthing lead, which connects to the panel, the earth pit, to lower soil resistance, and the earth continuity conductor, linking appliances to the panel. Two common methods are pipe earthing, often used in residential buildings, and plate earthing, used for high-power installations and substations. Resistance is critical. For an effective system, resistance must be as low as possible, ideally not exceeding 5 to 8 ohms in residential housing. If resistance is too high, the safety system is useless. Proper earthing saves your household electronics by providing a stable voltage reference point. This prevents static electricity and leakage currents from slowly degrading the sensitive circuit boards in modern appliances. The standard installation steps include a site survey, excavation, grounding the electrode and filling the pit, and verification by measuring the resistance with an earth tester. For maintenance, maintain moisture in the pit and avoid corrosion by checking connections. Ensure dedicated grounding, never using plumbing or gas pipes, and have an annual check by a licensed electrician.